taste of Pad Thai, you need to have balance of the taste, sweet, sour, and salty. And Pad Thai have all three. This is Pom Pad Thai. Mama make it. Hi everybody, my name is Pom. I'm new for School of Wok. Everybody here call me Mom. I gonna be you real mom to guide you to cook in your kitchen. First thing to do is Pad Thai sauce. Put the palm sugar in the pot, just on a high heat. I put the palm sugar in the pot first because you need to make the color turning to golden color. It's gonna be very good color for doing the Pad Thai. And when turning to be golden color like this, you put the tamarind in and fish sauce. You need to balance the flavor, sweet, sour and salty. Just leave about 2 or 3 minutes until boiling again. Okay, when boiling, turn it off. Finished for your Pad Thai sauce. Next, gonna be Chinese chives. We're gonna cut into 1 inch. Next cut will be tofu. You cut into 4 like this. It's a firm tofu and we deep fry and then we use for the Pad Thai. And you can buy the ready-made for tofu in the Chinese supermarket. Next cut, this technique how to cut the lamb for easy to squeeze. Cut here and then slice and cut the stem out. You have a 3 pieces like this. First, we need to heat a wok and then put the oil in. Okay, when oil is hot, first thing to put into the wok is shallot. Because you need to cook the shallot for aroma, smell and turning to golden color. Okay, next gonna be tofu. Okay, and then put a bit of oil and prawn. 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And you can see the color change to be the pink color. Okay. Next, egg. When I cook this, remind me it's my old family restaurant. Okay. It's noodle. It's a rice noodle. Before you use, you need to soak into the cold water first. Okay, put the salt in. And my favorite, chili. Chili is my favorite. And you can see that why I make the sauce first, because the sauce will wrap around the noodle. And that's why you call this Pom Pad Thai. And next, bean sprout and the Chinese chives. The color should be golden color like this. Don't forget my favorite one. This is my broth. And here is Pom Pad Thai. How to eat Pad Thai? You need to mix the peanut and chili and squeeze lamb in, okay, and eat. Tastes like exactly the taste that I have Pad Thai in Thailand. Leave the comment what is your national dish. And see you next time. Don't forget subscribe or ring the bell. Thank you.